while you're part of these farmer organizations, today the Supreme Court has made a strong point saying you can't be on the street and also come to us. They've also said that the government has we've already put a stay on these farm laws. The government has also agreed to a moratorium. Why do the farmers need to be on the street in the first place is what the Supreme Court is saying. They're saying, you've come to us, we'll give you justice.
Mr. Rampal Jat, a BJP leader, pretending to be a farmer leader, has gone to the Supreme Court. The farmers' organizations have not gone to the Supreme Court. Now, be that as it may, the farmers' organizations do not want to be on the road. On behalf of AIKCC, I wrote to the Delhi Police Commissioner asking for a place to protest, and there are prescribed places in Delhi. He refused. Please give us the place. We want to come and protest in Delhi. It's our capital. We have a right to protest. So it's the police which is blocking the highway, and the Supreme Court must understand this. Of course, the farmers' organizations are not seeking any relief because the relief that we seek is essentially of policy, which the government.
Sir, but you cannot have farmers with lathis doing lynching. The farmers lynched a driver and 4 people to that. Unacceptable.
Absolutely.
You lose the moral high ground today by doing what they've done.
Absolutely. Nobody has a right to kill anybody else. And for once, I agree with Anila Singh that there is a conspiracy. But she's got the conspiracy on the wrong side. There is a continuous effort at the highest level of BJP to provoke. And the speech of the minister, central minister, and the speech of the Haryana minister are not to be seen in isolation. There is a plan brewing to provoke the farmers. And let me assure the BJP that farmers will not be provoked.
No, they were provoked. What happened in Lakhimpur Kheri does not do the farmers any good either. The videos are unacceptable.
Absolutely. Just 1 minute. They will not be provoked at any place, including Uttar Pradesh. Let's see what happened in Lakhimpur. The BJP leaders ran over the farmers. The farmers chased them. They were shot at. Some got trapped. After that, what followed was justice of anger. Am I justifying it? No. But this is exactly what happened. It is not as if the farmers attacked BJP workers. The narrative is trying to be, turned on its head now that farmers have become mob lynchers.
So who attacked them?
I'm coming to that. They were in the face of a serious onslaught by those cars. 4 people were run over. See the injuries. And then what happened was mob anger. Is this the first instance of mob anger in an accident in India? So it is not farmers versus BJP. It did never happen like that at all in Lakhimpur Kheri. It was an angry group of people who had just faced a tremendous assault on them and a wanton attack on them.
Right.
It was a massacre.